On the 21st of March 2024, reports surfaced on several social media platforms regarding a confrontation between members of the local organization, the Erupt Youth Council (HYC) and the Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh or RSS at the Nehu campus in Shillong. Allegedly, a group of 50 to 60 armed RSS members sought out two HYC members, Jerry B. Riang and Mandor Dingdo, within the campus hostel premises before dispersing. The incident is believed to have stemmed from the HYC members trying to stop the Shiksha Sankriti RSS event on the 20th of March 2024 at the Nehu campus. Upon notification, the police arrived at the scene to find the armed group gone. University security and the Meghalaya police, including those from the Maulai police station and the Maukanraw police outpost, maintain strict surveillance around the hostel area to prevent further escalation. At the time of this report, police continue to investigate into the incident.